There are many ways to personalize your Electron Cache experience through the Preferences dropdown. To get there, first choose Tools on the toolbar, then Electron Cache Preferences. The first tab that opens up is the Fees tab. Here you can adjust your custom fee rate, which is what the wallet will default to for every transaction. The Edit Fees Manually checkmark turns the BCH amount field on and off under the Send tab. Checking the Use Change Addresses under the Transactions tab makes Electron Cache generate a new address for each transaction. This allows better privacy than reusing the same addresses. Choosing the Use Multiple Change Addresses will make Electron create multiple addresses for a single transaction, given the value of it is large enough. This may result in slightly higher fees, but still less than a cent because of using Bitcoin Cash. If you have the Spend Only Confirm Coins box checked, you will have to wait until the coins you have received are included in a block, which happens on average about every 10 minutes. It is recommended to keep this unchecked for a better user experience. Enabling the op-return output allows you to enter text along with your transaction. This text is embedded into the blockchain forever. You can see the text from the op-return under the Details in the History tab. Under Appearance, you can change the language, which requires a programmer start, how many trailing zeros, what Bitcoin base unit to use, and the default Block Explorer when clicking on a transaction and going to View on Block Explorer. In the Fiat tab, you can choose which fiat currency you want Electron Cache to show the BCH value in. Checking the Show History Rates shows the value of Bitcoin sent at the time it was sent. The Show Fiat Balance for addresses will toggle the column of USD balance in the Addresses tab.